It's a bonus episode of the Book Club for Kids. Hi, I'm Kitty Feldy. This week, we hear from students at Manchester Elementary School in Maine about what they're reading this new school year. So your name is?
Michael.
And what's your favorite book?
Green Eggs and Ham, because it's so funny.
What makes it funny?
Samurai M just keeps asking the guy for do you like green eggs and ham. It's so funny.
Do you like green eggs and ham?
Yes.
Why?
Because it just tastes so good.
I thought you were going to answer, I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam. I thought that's what you were going to say. That's funny. Tell me your name.
Brianna.
And Brianna, what's your favorite book?
The Wild Robot, the first one. Because it's really sweet, and I love how Roz reacts to the animals. It's my favorite part.
Hello, my name is Kaylee.
And Kaylee, what's your favorite book?
It's a series.
What is it?
A toy about Hanako-kun.
And why?
Because it's about a spirit and a girl, and the spirit's trying to help the girl, and the girl's name is Yashiro Nene, but she goes by Yashiro. And the spirit's name, it's a boy, and his name's Hanako, and he has a twin brother named Tsukasa.
And why do you like this book?
Because it's also a show, and I only watched a few series of it, but I had to delete the app I had to because I was running out of storage.
My name is Daniel, and my favorite book is The Book Thief.
We discussed The Book Thief, and I got to interview the writer right when it came out. Tell me why you like that book.
I like it because of all the interesting characters and how you get to see how some people see.
So that's really one of the reasons you like it. It's not only well written, and it's not only about an interesting era, it's also really good at plot twists.
Yeah, like there was a 10-year time skip. I think that was about halfway through the book.
Well, and the narrator's kind of unusual.
Yeah. It was the Grim Reaper, I think.
Death. And by the way, that is one of our favorite Book Club for Kids podcast episodes, and we will have a link to it in the show notes.
Hello, my name is Gwen, and my favorite book is Forgotten Girl.
And how come?
It's just a cool and mysterious book because, she goes outside with her friend at night and it's snowing, and she does a snow angel, and then when she stands up, there's a grave underneath it, like a stone, and they dig it out to see who it is, and it's this girl, her name's Avery Moore, and then...
Let's not give the whole plot away because somebody's probably going to want to read it. Tell me why you like that book.
I like it because it's a very cool book, and I just think it's interesting to read.
Hello, my name is Haley.
And Haley, what is your favorite book?
The Insignificant Events in the Life of a Cactus, because it's all one big mystery, and some parts are funny and some parts are sweet, and I like how it's very caring, and it's talking about how people are disabled and help them and take care of them if they need it.
Hello, my name is Carol Ann.
And Carol Ann, what's your favorite book?
Naruto the Boy Ninja.
So why is this your favorite book?
Because I love how Naruto is so determined to become a ninja, because he's been wanting to be a ninja ever since he was a child, but when he was a child, his parents died, so he it kind of it messed up with his learning, and he couldn't become a ninja because his teacher didn't think that he was qualified, because he became a prankster just to hide his pain from his parents being dead.
Do you have urges to become a ninja yourself?
Not really, but it would be cool if I could. If it was a real job, I might try out for it.
What could you do, as a ninja that you can't do as yourself?
One thing that Naruto can do, he can shapeshift, and he can make clones of himself, and I wish I could do that.
Why? Why would you want a clone of you?
I don't know, so I could do different tasks at the same time, maybe. I can do the laundry with one of my clones and do my homework with the other clone. It would be easier for life.
Would it be confusing for your parents and everybody else?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Hello, my name is Avery. My favorite book is Warriors because it has cats, and I really like cats, and It is like very, very interesting because they always have like problems and they'll solve them, and it's very interesting.
Do you have cats?
No, I used to though.
Hello, my name is Tanner, and my favorite book is the whole series of Diary of a Wimpy Kid. And I like it because all the books are really funny and relatable, and they're all catchy, surprising, and entertaining.
Are you kind of like the hero of the book?
Sort of.
In what way?
I can relate to a lot of the things.
Hello, my name is Caden, and I like I Survive because it is a really fun book, and I especially like the graphic novel. It just is fun, and it is really fun to read it when you're going to bed and stuff.
It's kind of scary, though, isn't it?
No.
No? Because it's about surviving scary things. You're not afraid of any of those things yourself?
No.
And would you like the adventures that are included in the book to happen to you?
No.
Why not?
Because they're scary adventures. There was tsunamis that happened, and there was floods.
And yet they don't give you nightmares because you know it's not you going through that.
Yeah.
Got it.
Hello, my name is Elia, and my favorite book is probably Ellie's story.
Why?
Because it has like a lot of adventure in it, and I really like how she has to rescue people in it.
Would you like her adventures in rescuing people?
Yeah,
Could you do it?
probably, yeah.
What are the skills you bring to it? What are the things you know you could do well that you could do to rescue people?
Water rescues.
Are you a swimmer?
Yeah, I did swimming lessons.
Hello, my name is Brooklyn, and my favorite book is Insignificant Events in the Life of a Cactus. Because I like the mystery, it urges me on to try and just finish the book because I really wanted to figure it out. And I also liked it because the message about people who are disabled might struggle with things, but they can do almost anything they can put their mind to.
A lot of love for the book Insignificant Events in the Life of a Cactus. In fact, we will return to Manchester Elementary later on for a full episode discussing that very book. Meanwhile, we have a list of everybody's favorite book at our website, bookclubforkids.org, on our Books We Love page. And if you have a classroom full of readers in Southern California or Washington, D.C., or anywhere else, send us an email to kitty@bookclubforkids.org, and we will tell you how you can put your young readers on the show. And we will be back next week with a brand new episode. I'm Kitty Feldy. Thanks so much for listening.